So we are looking at the Toyota Fielder 2008, the 2008 model. I'm sure you've seen them on the road. It's a rainy day, that's why it's dirty. This is a 1.8, but there is also a 1.5 variation, but this is a 1.8 cc. It's a very lovely vehicle. The owner enjoys driving it. Now, this particular one has 15-inch rims, so it means it puts 15-inch tires. So we are inside the Toyota Fielder 2008 model, and of course it has a redone dashboard. That's one of the problems that these cars have. So we have a proud owner here. He's going to tell us what he likes about this car and what he thinks is special about this particular Toyota Fielder or this particular car. So as you can see, it's a push to start, and it has both manual and automatic. So let's talk to him. Let him tell us basically how he feels driving it and why he thinks someone should actually buy it. Yeah,
you know, it's sexy. When we say it's sexy, it's nice looking. It's black in color. You can see it.
Yeah.
Then it's when it comes to fuel, you know, it's economical. You know, it doesn't consume a lot of fuel.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is user friendly. You know, and when it comes to comfortability,
yeah,
it is really comfortable. As you can see, it wears a tire like 15
inch.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then when you put on 15, then the size of the tire is 205.
Yes.
You know, it's a big tire.
Yeah, which lifts it up very well.
Exactly. That means it is very comfortable.
Yeah.
When you look at its shape, it is fast.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it is fast.
It's really fast. It has a very good aerodynamics.
I'm telling you, it has a sport thing, so it can
accelerate very fast. Yeah.
And when you want to bypass or to overtake,
yeah,
you can turn it into manual and you select the gear you want.
Yeah.
And then do your thing. So you can drive it manually
and automatic.
Or automatic.
So okay, can you briefly show us how this gear works? How you shift it from automatic to manual?
So you have to first start it. It won't start when you don't when
the doors are not closed.
Yes.
And
when you don't press the brake,
yeah, it doesn't start. Yeah.
So after putting your feet on the brake,
then you start.
Then it starts.
Wow, lovely.
So when you start, you go. Then this is drive.
Yes. Yeah.
It is drive here.
So that's automatic.
And here it shows that it's drive. But now when you go to manual, it will take number 1.
Yeah.
Because we have not started.
So we have gone to manual here.
You just cross.
To manual. And then it will show us number 1.
Oh, yes. Yeah. Then it goes from 1 up to gear number 7.
It has 7 gears.
Yes.
Yeah, that's why it's fast.
It goes up to 7. You go to 2, but now it can't put because you're not
driving.
Yes.
So you just shift the gear and then it
cross it. Yeah, yes. When you want to remove the gears, you
come down.
Yes.
Then
it has a radio. The bad thing about this radio, which
comes with the fielder.
With the fielder, it is in Chinese or Japanese. Whatever.
Yeah.
But it shows the engine. The entire engine is here.
Yeah.
And when it gets any fault, you can detect it from here. But because we don't know how to read this language, so
that's why you can't know. So I heard that this particular car has automatic air conditioning.
Yes.
How does it function?
Now, you see, what is the room temperature?
Right now,
I mean normal room temperature.
Normal would be 27, I think.
24.
24?
Yes. So now when you see now here, so it is 24. So it will detect the temperature inside
Yeah.
to maintain it at 24.
At 24.
If it's hotter,
Yeah.
the AC will increase up to when it maintains 24.
Oh, so
when it is cold,
yeah,
it will ejja kuteekamu akabugumu
yes,
paka ku 24 again.
So you choose I want 24,
yes,
or and then it works until it gives you 24 all the time, every time that you're in there.
Exactly.
You
set your own temperature you want to maintain inside,
and it stays there. Let me ask one other question. Doesn't it consume fuel?
No, it doesn't. I don't think so. Because for me, I drive AC 24/7. My windows are up. I don't want dust inside.
So you don't see a difference in fuel economy?
No. But the only expense but it's not big. The service it's a bit expensive because it is like 200.
So when you service this car, what exactly do you change? What do you replace? And all that?
They just change the oil, then the oil filter. Naye oil filter yayo si eziri ezaffe zetumanyidde ya kikopo mulimu obuntu basanukula ne batekamu akakantu bakaswa yo filter yayo ya mitwalo 6. That's the only. Then it depends on the type of oil you use. Kati nze nkozesa kasanvu
7,000 kilometers. But it also gives you a higher mileage, which is good.
So the only problem with it is this dashboard. It doesn't like heat.
Yeah, when it gets exposed to heat, it melts. That's why you have to
cover it. So okay. Ugandans, we are very clever and then they provide something which is really beautiful.
Okay, what does that sound mean?
The door is open. Then it warns when the fuel goes down. It warns. It brings this. When the door is open, it warns you there and then. If anything wrong comes, it warns. Even if it's a flat tire, it warns. So when you see this warning mark,
there is something wrong.
You have to stop and check.
Yes.
It's not like any other car that you just drive not knowing what is happening.
Okay, but I also understand it's vulnerable to thieves. There are parts that thieves steal.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now the window, the side mirror
covers. Yeah.
They are taken. What? When they take those side mirror covers, you have to buy it 100,000. I'm telling you. Then the person is going to fix it will take money.
Yes.
Then again, you will not find the exact color in the market.
Yes.
They'll give you white. You have to turn it into black. Then it will end like 150.
Yes.
Just a cover.
Yeah.
So don't pack it anywhere.
So what other expense apart from service and then the parts that get stolen? What other thing do you find abnormally expensive about this car?
Because it's still new, I've not yet done anything.
You have not fixed anything?
Yes.
Shocks? No. Under the suspension, nothing?
Nothing. And if you were to fix, it uses the same spare parts like Makex.
Yes.
New model.
Yes.
Fielder. And Wish.
Yes.
You know. Yeah. The only expensive thing those xenon lights.
Yeah. They're expensive. Yeah. Now I have a follower of mine that asked, compared to the Wish, what is this better than the Wish? Is the Wish better than this?
This car takes 5 people. But Wish takes 7.
So that's the only difference.
Yes, and the shape. This is a success shape.
Yeah, the Wish is. Yeah, the Wish could have easily been made for taxis. Yeah. So now we're going to look at the engine as well and see what happens with it. But I like the interior. You see the moldings are very, very nicely done. What we call Formica here, even on the doors. And it has the upholstery is also nice, very easy to clean. And now the owner of this car doesn't actually let dust get in. He keeps it closed even when he's driving, so you will not find that anywhere. Now, there are things that don't come with the car, like these carpets. They actually don't come with the car, so you have to buy additional carpets in order to keep your original carpets clean. But overall, it's a very nice car. If you want to buy it, for someone that was asking for a comparison with the Wish, of course, we'll get the video of the Wish, but now we have seen the Fielder. Let me just go and then we look at the engine. So this particular Fielder has a ZR engine, a dual VVTi 1.8, very powerful. It fills the engine room, as you can see, and it has a lot of electronics here, so as you drive, it's upon you to make sure that you actually don't go in places that have a lot of water, otherwise you lose it. But overall, it's a very easy car to maintain, and it has these bumpers, the extensions. You have to make sure that you don't go in places where they can actually get damaged, and these are the covers that he was talking about that get stolen. That's why you see that it has rivets all over the place.